In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to CapCut on PC. If you want your video to feel more polished, more engaging, and less empty during quiet moments, adding background music is one of the easiest ways to do it. CapCut on PC already includes a built-in music library, so the whole process is quick and beginner-friendly. To get started, move your mouse to the top left area of the interface and click on the main tab labeled Audio. This is where CapCut stores its sound-related assets. Once that section opens, look just below at the left sidebar and click on the category labeled Music. As soon as you do that, CapCut will open its built-in music library directly inside the interface, giving you access to a large selection of ready-to-use background tracks. Next, it's time to find a track that matches the tone of your video. Go to the search box at the top of the asset panel and type in a keyword that fits the style you're after, such as vlog, lo-fi, or tech. This is a great way to narrow the library down quickly instead of scrolling through everything manually. When the results appear, move your cursor over any track thumbnail and click the small play button to preview it. Take a moment here and listen carefully because the right music can really shape the overall mood of your edit. Once you find a track you like, click the blue plus icon on the right side of that track's row. CapCut will immediately place the music onto its own separate audio track beneath your main video timeline. That separation is helpful because it keeps your music independent from your video and makes it much easier to control later. Now that your music is on the timeline, the next step is to make sure it supports your video without overpowering your voice. Click directly on the green music clip in the timeline to select it, then look over to the top right Properties panel. Under the Audio tab and the Basics section, find the Volume slider. Click and drag the slider to the left until the level is around -20 decibels. As you lower it, you'll notice the waveform on the timeline gets smaller, which is a good visual sign that the music will sit more softly under your narration. And that's it. You opened the Audio section, searched the music library, added a track with the blue plus icon and lowered the volume for a clean background mix. You're all set. Done.